This is Abby, and I'm here to do a review on this remote control car. This is the City Truck series. Here are a few different models. Inside, you have your truck and your truck toys. You have a battery and a charger and a spare battery. This one comes with the 4 little extra cars in it. Here's the remote, up and down, left to right. Your trailer will lock onto the truck. Plug your rechargeable battery into here, and you need 2 AA's for your remote. This feels like a really good quality. The tires are actual rubber, not plastic, so that's pretty cool.
Beep beep, let me poo.
It lights up.
Oh, there we go.
Oliver, do you like it?
I liked it.
10 out of 10 recommend. And as always, I will have it linked.